Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa Lucera Film and samahan niyo ako sa 3 days and 2 nights na vacation ko dito. Tara, explore natin ang lugar na to.
Magandang araw.
Good morning. I have reservation on the business.
Welcome to Lazar Film Hotel, Miss Lee. Your reservation is ready. Let me check your information first. Alright, all of this week is waiting for you at room number 330. Here's your key card, ma'am.
Thank you.
The staff are over there to assist you later, please. Enjoy your stay, ma'am, at Lazar Film Hotel.
Let me help you with your please now. This way.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Magandang araw! Welcome to Lazar Hotel.
Hello po, magandang araw po. Meron po reservation dyan under po Curtis Lugail. Pwede po pakicheck.
So, hi ma'am. Your reservation is ready. Let me just check your information first. Alright. The room number is 312 and here is your card, ma'am. The staff are over there to help with your things. Let me know if you need anything else. Enjoy your stay, ma'am. Maraming salamat.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Let me help you with your please. This way. Please, can I help you with this computer? Yes, ma'am.
You're both doing a fantastic job, and I've noticed your improvements with the interaction with all of us. And alam ko, ginagawa niyo lahat ng mga natutunan natin sa staff training.
Thank you, ma'am. At first, nag-focus lang din po talaga ako. Making everyone feel safe attention, respect, and fairness. At masarap po pala talaga sa